Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Tana AI, Obsidian, Notion, and Anytype and Capacities. Tana AI, Obsidian, Notion, Anytype, and Capacities are all tools for organizing information, but they have different styles and strengths. Tana AI is a connected workspace with AI features for organizing tasks, notes, and projects. It uses a networked structure, meaning ideas and data can link together easily. The AI can help summarize, tag, and organize information automatically, making it great for knowledge management. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking app that stores files locally. It's popular for its backlining system, which connects notes like a personal wiki. It's highly customizable with plugs and themes, but it doesn't have as many built-in AI features as Tana. Notion is an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and databases and collaborations. It's cloud-based and offers a flexible page system with AI writing and organization tools. It's strong for team projects, but it needs an internet connection for full use. Anytype is a privacy-focused similar to Notion, but it works offline and stores data locally. It has a block-based design, supports linked data, and keeps your information secure while still allowing you to structure it flexibility. Capacities is a knowledge management app that uses a second brain style. It organizes notes and ideas into interconnected concepts with tags and tabs for easy retrieval. It's designed for creative thinking and building a personal knowledge system. In short, Tana AI is great for AI-powered organizations. Obsidian is best for local, markdown-based note linking. Notion is ideal for collaborative and flexible workspaces. Anytype is for privacy-focused offline use, and Capacities is for structured, interconnected idea management. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.